Invasive species are non-native organisms that disrupt the delicate balance of an ecosystem. These invaders, often silent in their initial arrival, pose a significant threat to biodiversity, ecosystem health, and even human well-being. Imagine a garden where a single plant, not meant to be there, starts to take over, choking out the flowers and vegetables. That is the essence of the invasive species problem. These invaders possess characteristics that allow them to outcompete native species. They might reproduce rapidly, lack natural predators, or have adaptations that give them an edge in utilizing resources. Their presence can lead to the decline or even extinction of native plants and animals, disrupting the intricate web of relationships that hold an ecosystem together. The consequences of invasive species go beyond ecological damage. They can impact agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and human health, leading to economic losses and societal challenges. Understanding the nature of these silent invaders and the threats they pose is crucial for developing effective strategies to combat their spread and mitigate their impact. The spread of invasive species is often facilitated by human activities, acting as unwitting accomplices in their global journey. International trade and travel have opened up pathways for these invaders to hitchhike across continents, often hidden in cargo ships, airplanes, or even luggage. The ballast water of ships, for example, can transport aquatic organisms thousands of miles from their native habitats. Once introduced to a new environment, invasive species can spread rapidly, aided by their adaptability and the absence of natural enemies. They may outcompete native species for resources like food, water, and sunlight, leading to a decline in native populations. Some invaders, like certain types of insects, can even directly prey on native species, further disrupting the ecological balance. Climate change is another factor exacerbating the invasive species problem. As temperatures and precipitation patterns shift, new areas become suitable for these invaders, allowing them to expand their range and threaten previously unaffected ecosystems. The complex interplay between human activities, globalization, and climate change highlights the multifaceted nature of this challenge. Invasive species can devastate local ecosystems, causing cascading effects through the food web. The brown tree snake on Guam decimated native birds, disrupting seed dispersal and forest regeneration. A single invasive species can trigger a chain reaction, impacting multiple ecosystem levels. Invasive plants outcompete native vegetation, reducing biodiversity. Water hyacinth forms dense mats, blocking sunlight and reducing oxygen levels. These changes disrupt recreational activities and impact local economies. The emerald ash borer has killed millions of ash trees, costing billions in lost timber revenue. Section 4. Combating the invasion. Managing invasive species requires prevention, early detection, and rapid response. Prevention involves measures to stop invasive species from entering new environments. This includes stricter regulations on trade and transportation. Early detection and rapid response are crucial for containment. Monitoring ecosystems and having eradication plans are essential. Public awareness campaigns encourage reporting and education. Established invasions require control and impact minimization. Methods include mechanical, chemical, and biological controls. Section 5. Prevention, our first line of defense. Prevention starts with raising public awareness about invasive species. Promoting responsible travel practices like cleaning hiking boots and gear is crucial. Regulations and policies are vital in preventing invasive species. This includes stricter import controls and quarantine measures. International cooperation is essential for addressing this global problem. Section 6. A call for global action. The fight against invasive species is a shared responsibility that requires a collaborative effort from governments, organizations, and individuals worldwide. By working together, we can raise awareness, implement effective prevention measures, and protect the biodiversity and health of our planet's ecosystems. Every individual can make a difference by becoming informed about invasive species in their local area, taking steps to prevent their spread, and supporting organizations involved in their control and management. Whether it's volunteering for a local habitat restoration project or simply choosing native plants for our gardens, every action counts. The silent invasion of invasive species is a global challenge that demands our attention and action. By understanding the threats they pose, embracing proactive prevention measures, and working together to combat their spread, we can protect the delicate balance of nature and preserve the biodiversity of our planet for future generations.